Hey everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Fast podcast, your cozy corner to level up your speaking, listening, and confidence in English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. And today's topic is one that every learner can relate to. Why do I keep forgetting the words I learn?
You study them, you write them, you even highlight them in 3 colors, and boom, the next day gone. But don't worry, we've got 10 practical tips, and we're going to tell you why they actually work. Okay, Jake, let's start with tip number 1. Use the word right away.
Yeah, that's huge. I used to write words down in my notebook and never see them again. And of course, I forgot them.
Exactly. Our brain needs to know that the word is useful. The moment you use it in a sentence, you're telling your brain, hey, remember this one.
It's like when you meet someone new. If you say their name a few times, you remember it better. Same with vocabulary.
Totally. For example, let's say you learn the word efficient. You don't just say, okay, cool word. You say, this method is efficient. Boom, used and saved.
So, if you're listening right now, what's the last word you learned? Pause this podcast, say out loud in a sentence, and come back. Trust us, it works. All right, tip 2. Review the words several times, just not all at once.
That's called spaced repetition. You come back to it after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week.
It's like working out your brain. You build memory strength gradually.
Exactly. Reviewing just before you forget it helps your brain store it long term. Tip 3. Always learn words in a sentence, not in isolation.
Totally. Confident means nothing to your brain. She's a confident speaker, sticks.
Context creates a situation, and the brain loves situations more than lists.
It's like turning words into mini stories. Stories are memorable. Tip 4 is fun, make it weird.
Yeah. Like awkward, I imagine someone tripping over their own shoelaces while waving.
When it's funny or strange, your brain holds on to it better.
Exactly. Normal is forgettable. Silly is sticky. Tip 5. Let's talk flashcards. They can be amazing, but only if you use them smartly.
Totally. Most people just write the word on one side and the translation on the back. That's too basic.
Yeah, your brain needs more to work with. Try adding a full sentence or a little drawing.
For example, if your word is confident, right? She spoke confidently in front of class.
That way, you're not just memorizing a word, you're memorizing how to use it.
Exactly. That kind of deep memory is way stronger than just lists. All right, tip 6. Make it personal. Your brain remembers your experiences better than random examples.
So instead of saying delicious equals tasty, say, the pasta I cooked last night was delicious.
Or even better, my mom's chicken is always delicious. Boom! Emotion plus memory.
You're not just learning the word delicious, you're associating it with a real moment.
And those are the things your brain wants to keep.
Tip 7. Here's a simple but powerful one. Say the word out loud.
So many people just read silently, but your brain needs to hear your own voice.
Try saying the word 3 times in different ways: normal, excited, and funny.
You're training your ears, your mouth, your memory, all at once.
Plus, it builds confidence. You're not just memorizing, you're already practicing speaking.
Tip 8. This tip works great if you're a visual learner. Label objects in your house with sticky notes.
Exactly. Put mirror, door, lamp, desk on the actual objects.
The best part? You'll see those words multiple times a day, effortlessly.
It's like passive exposure, and it turns your home into a mini English class. I still have the word remote stuck in my brain from my living room post-it phase. Okay, tip 9. Don't just learn random words, group them by theme.
Like travel words, passport, flight, luggage, or kitchen words, oven, boil, recipe.
The brain loves patterns and connections. Themes help create mental folders. And easier to recall when you're actually speaking in real situations.
And finally, this one's unexpected. Make mistakes.
I know it sounds scary, but when you make a mistake and get corrected, your brain says, "Whoa, pay attention."
That emotional reaction actually helps your memory.
So use that new word even if you're not 100% sure. Don't wait for perfect.
Mistakes are part of learning. If you never mess up, you're probably not growing.